Shanidev will be kind to these zodiac signs for the next 6 months. The locks of luck have opened. Along with progress, you will get success in every work. Hello friends, welcome once again to your own channel Astro Guruji Mayank. Friends, according to astrology, it is the giver of karma and the effect of change in the zodiac sign of the planet Saturn, the judge of justice, has positive or negative impact on the lives of the people of every zodiac sign. Saturn is one of the 9 planets which moves the slowest. It takes about 2.5 minutes to move from one zodiac sign to another. It takes a year. Let us tell you that at this time Saturn is situated in its original triangle zodiac sign Aquarius and is going to remain in this zodiac sign till the year 2025, but Saturn keeps changing constellations from time to time with change in position. Shani Dev 6 is the god of justice. After changing constellation on April, Dev Guru's constellation has transited in Purva Bhadrapada and is going to remain in this constellation till 3rd October 2024. Till now Saturn was sitting in Rahu's constellation Shadbisha Nakshatra. In such a situation, till the beginning of April, Rahu and Saturn together will form in many zodiac signs. This is the first time during Saturn's transit in Aquarius that Saturn has come in a position to give you auspicious results. The arrival of Saturn in Jupiter's constellation Purva Bhadrapada is considered to be very auspicious. It means NS1 with auspicious feet, i.e. one whose steps are read in the horoscope and auspiciousness comes. In such a situation, you will get the auspicious results of all the houses of which Jupiter is the Lord. Let us know in which zodiac signs Saturn will bring only happiness in the life of the next 6 months. Can bring happiness. Dear friends, before proceeding further in the video, I have a small request to all of you that if you are new to the channel then do like the video and do write Jai Shani Dev in the comment. Friends, if you also want so that with the blessings of Shani Dev, there is an increase in happiness and prosperity in the house, then do like this video and do subscribe the channel. Friends, do not forget to press the bell notification so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos first. Friends, let us know in the life of which zodiac signs only happiness can be brought by Saturn for the next 6 months. Number 1 is Taurus. Friends, the lord of Taurus is Venus and it has a sense of friendship with Saturn. In such a situation, changing the constellation of Saturn is necessary for this zodiac sign. It can prove to be very beneficial for the people. In such a situation, the people of this zodiac sign are going to get a lot of benefits in their career and business. Employed people will get appreciation for their work. Along with this, higher officials can be happy after seeing your work. You may get promotion along with progress. You may see a lot of progress in your workplace. There is no Sage Sati of Saturn in this zodiac sign. In such a situation, the people of this zodiac sign will get full support of luck along with completion of long pending work. There will be an increase in wealth. The 10th house is considered to be related to career. In such a situation, the blessings of Saturn will always be there. There will be pace in the work. Along with this, the stalled work can start once again. Your inclination towards spirituality will increase. In such a situation, the people of this zodiac sign you can get rid of many difficulties. You will have a good time with your family. Material comforts will increase. You will spend money to increase the comforts of your home. You will get financial benefits from abroad. Number 2, Virgo friends. Saturn constellation changes in the 6th house in this zodiac sign. Changes in the movement of Saturn can prove to be beneficial for the people of Virgo zodiac sign. Luck will be on their side. Along with this, work and business is going to go well. In such a situation, the health condition is also going to be good. The negativity inside you will go away. In such a situation, you will progress in your work field. If you get full support of luck, you will achieve success even with little effort. You will have a good time with your family. Along with this, long-standing problems in the family can end. Apart from this, success in Kotak Chahari matters. This change can prove to be very beneficial for the students. There are chances of getting success in the exam and interview, so prepare properly. Talking about love life, it is going to be good. You will get relief from the delay in marriage and soon you can get tied in the bond of marriage. Love and good fortune will increase in married life also. Talking about business, you will get rid of the losses in business and will get a good business partner. You will get financial benefits from this. People in employment can get promotion along with progress. Number 3 is Leo. Friends, Saturn is in the 7th house, hence the people of this zodiac sign will get special benefits. You may see progress in business. There are chances of getting a lot of profit in business done in partnership. An unmarried person may get a good relationship for marriage. New sources of income will open. Respect in the society will increase. Married life will be long. The problems that have been going on for a long time will end, and once again there will be only happiness in married life. There are chances of getting unexpected financial benefits. You can also be successful in saving, and with this, your dream of buying a vehicle, plot and property can be fulfilled. You can get relief from family problems. There are chances of getting some auspicious work done at home. Employed people will also get benefits. Problems that have been going on in the workplace for a long time will end. Along with this, many opportunities for new jobs can be found. For Libra friends, by the grace of Shanidev, the people of this zodiac sign can get full support of luck. Along with this, you will get the fruits of your hard work, hence never shy away from working hard. Due to the transit of Saturn, the people of this zodiac sign will get many big opportunities. There may be things that can take you to great heights. There will be a lot of change in your outlook. In such a situation, you can fulfill your desires by improving your skills. People preparing for competitive exams may get success, but health and family will be affected. There is a need to be a little cautious regarding number 5 Capricorn friends. At this time the last phase of Saturn's Sage Sati is going on in Capricorn. In such a situation the people of this zodiac sign can get special benefits, respect will increase in the society, you will get success in various fields. Along with this, you will get respect and prestige, various sources of income will open, you will have a good time with your family, your long pending work will start getting completed. Friends, this was today's special video. I hope that you would have liked the information given in today's presentation. If you liked this video, then do write Jai Shani Dev in the comment. Also, do not forget to subscribe the channel and also share it with your friends. To watch other such videos, stay connected with your own channel Astro Guruji Mayank. Friends, see you in the next video with new information. Till then, may Shani Dev keep his kind eyes on you. Thank you from the bottom of our heart to all of you for staying till the end of this video.